another pass, let's take 1/10 of a mil off. And this one I'm going to feed at 40%. Let's get it up to the start point. So feed it at 40%. As you can hear, it's very, very quiet, this machine. This has been spun at 800 RPM. You can run it up to 1000 if you want to. And we'd probably have to specify the slightly wider jaws. So it's all just mounted on a standard car trailer. Even though I ran that 40%, cut time was still only 1 minute. 46. And then we'll have a look at the finish of the cut. Again, I mean, these are just scrap wheels, but again we can see that there's no random lines. In fact, the cut quality is pretty much bang on, so there's no compromises running a mobile lathe in the back of a van with regards to cut finish. Happy with that.